Alright, now we're going to show you how to do the right side crank arm. One extra step here, you have to take this blue chain guard off in order to get this crank arm off because it's got the gear attached to it and it doesn't just slip off. So first we'll show you how to get this blue chain guard off. We've got a 10mm socket. There are 3 bolts here, here, and here. Just take those off and then the blue chain guard slides right off. Alright. Now that the guard's off, the right side is the exactly same as the left side. You need the 14mm socket first to get this bolt off. And then once you get this bolt off, you need the puller tool again to get this crankshaft off. And then it's the exact same side as the left side, or exact same as the left side. So you can watch that video to see if you need a refresh on the puller tool.